I guess.
Hello, tita.
Yeah.
Oh, the spring. Tita Jam Jam. Tita Jam Jam is taking care of Umi.
So you just wear this one and the other. And after you swim, you can wear this one. Okay?
Hi, Doy. Okay ra ka? Ha?
Maligo na si Budoy.
Balik ko si Jam. Alag topi?
Just be careful, okay? Be careful.
Feel the water and you can feel it.
You can see it if you want.
Yeah, you can also drip your...
The breeze.
So, how's the water?
It's cold.
Is it cold, Umi?
Mas cold dito sa Australia eh.
It's cold? Okay. Are you enjoying the water? Oh, be careful.
Spring water, ate.
Why?
Saan you just say
Just look at the environment in here. Oh my goodness. It's so very natural. Yan, see? Nalatawa ang mga locals diri, oh. Kung taga diri jud, no? They're so very hospitable to Umi. Nan.
They are medical.
Akaw na. Ligo na siya.
Say anyong.
Annyeong.